Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Chasing. Let's come to you live from Vietnam, guys. We're absolutely seeing right now that, the Dogecoin whales are going nuts right now. We're seeing that the amount of whales who are buying Dogecoin is actually up. It's up. It's like crazy. We're also seeing what's going on with Robinhood. Looks like Robinhood is selling a lot of its Dogecoin. So what is going on with Robinhood? What is going on with Dogecoin? And why are we seeing a massive reduction in terms of the Dogecoin holdings on the Robinhood platform? Is this good for Dogecoin? Is this bad for Dogecoin? We're going to discuss that and much more, guys. So let's get into the video without any further delay, guys. So right now we're seeing, at time of recording, we're seeing that BTC is down 1.47%. It's off from its highs of around about $28,000. We're seeing that Ethereum is down as well. Not as much as Bitcoin. We're seeing Ethereum is down almost 0.89%. And that's slightly off. Nothing much to worry about there. We're seeing that ADA is down. Doge is down right now. Doge is down about 0.64%. But not as bad as Bitcoin. So we're seeing that Dogecoin is still holding strong. Dogecoin is right now at 0.73 cents. So not too bad, not too bad at all. So things overall looking pretty lovely jubbly for Dogecoin, and we're going to be talking about some massive Dogecoin use. So this is my view out here in Vietnam land. Beautiful day, sunny day. It's going to be hot today. I'm off to work in just a few moments after I get this video to you. So I'm going to be off to work. So what is going on? Absolutely, what is going on out there? So some of the top news that's happening right now for crypto is the fact that the debt ceiling, the absolute debt ceiling out there, is been agreed upon, and we are not going to default. The U.S. is not going to default. So that is pretty good news out there. So, we did see that there was a massive run up yesterday. We did see that stock prices were up. Remember, it was Memorial Day on Monday, so the markets are kind of closed right now. But we are probably anticipating that we should have a nice, lovely, jubbly, pumpy when the broader markets open, and that should take cryptos higher. So a little bit of a profit taking. That's why we're seeing Bitcoin down. That's why we're seeing most of cryptocurrencies down. Nothing to really worry about. And also too, if you take a look at what's happening on the weekly, we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is above the 200-day weekly moving average right now. And something interesting to happen. Something interesting is happening. We're seeing that on the weekly, a golden cross is about to form. And the last time we had this happen was 2017. And since then, 2017 to where we are now, Bitcoin has risen about 5,000%. So we could be seeing a huge blast off, and we're about to cross. And this hasn't happened. 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 23 to 4 to 5. Last time this happened was 8 years ago. So every time this happens, we often have a huge freaking move for Bitcoin. So we could be seeing a big move for Bitcoin. Just a matter of time. Chitty time out there, guys. You like my new haircut? Got my do on. Got my do out there. So it's a great time to be alive. So what's going on? What's going on for Dogecoin right now? So we are seeing that Dogecoin whales are returning, as we're seeing a very big bullish metric happening for Dogecoin. We're also seeing that the number of transactions on the Dogecoin blockchain are also increasing. We're seeing the DRC20 tokens, the DRC20 tokens or ordinals. People are minting fungible tokens on the Dogecoin platform, so that is good. We're seeing a lot of transactions happening, but the blockchain is still pretty healthy, pretty active, and we're seeing more transactions happening on Dogecoin than Bitcoin and Ethereum combined. So that is insane. That is insane, guys. So we're seeing right now that the number of Dogecoin whale transactions are on the freaking rise. Last week Dogecoin whales, have begun, waking up from their slumber. This came to a head on Sunday, guys, May 28th, when Doge transactions hit one of its highest levels. I'm talking one of its highest levels. Data from Into the Block shows that Dogecoin transactions, and I'm talking about transactions carrying at least $100,000 worth of Dogecoin, crossed 1.94 billion in the last 7 days. Wow. So it looks like Dogecoin whales are definitely waking up, and that is pretty good. Could we see Dogecoin blasting off pretty soon? I think we could, guys. I actually think we could be seeing something huge happening. So, the transaction volume is not only Dogecoin, as I said, Dogecoin metric, but it also saw an increase in last week, the number of Dogecoin transactions being carried out by the network, and rose exponentially thanks to the popularity of ERC tokens. So hopefully you can see it here. Let me just show you on the iPad. So you can see that the number of transactions right now have increased substantially for Dogecoin. Hopefully you guys can see that out there. So we're seeing a lot of transaction volume, and that gives a lot of people some bullish hopefulness for Dogecoin that we could be seeing a nice pumpage out there for Dogecoin. So that is pretty good. Dogecoin could blow up in the short term. We're seeing that as Bitcoin ordinals went skyrocket, we did see that the Bitcoin price did pump, guys. So we're seeing that right now. If you take a look at what's going on for Dogecoin, we're seeing a lot of Dogecoin just been kind of going sideways. It's really just been kind of going range bound, but I think we're going to break out of this. And as I said, Dogecoin right now is at 0.73 cents out there. So it's just a matter of time before we have a nice breakout. And we're really just waiting on Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin breaks out, definitely Dogecoin is going to be going up right now. So we're seeing, Dogecoin right now is up is at 0.73%, slightly down right now. But overall, things are looking pretty lovely, jubbly out there. So what's going on for Pepe as well? Pepe coin is just going sideways out there. Some people are speculating that Pepe coin could have more freaking value than a Dogecoin 2025 bull run. I don't think so out there. Get my pillow, grab my pillow for comfort. So I don't think that's going to happen. I think that Dogecoin right now, as you guys know, that in terms of the number of holders in the freaking money, Dogecoin is the number one. I'm talking the king daddy of memes. I'm going to get in a red chair of knowledge, guys. I'm moving a red chair of knowledge out there. So we're seeing that, so you guys see my beautiful face. Get some sunshine on there. So we are seeing that, in terms of Dogecoin, in terms of Shiba Inu, and I'm talking all the freaking meme coins out there. We're seeing that Dogecoin right now is the number one meme coin with a number of users and profit. I mean, if you take a look at Shiba Inu right now, Shiba Inu price is also not doing very good. If I take a look at this, Shiba Inu right now is just below the 900 level and is down by 1.67%. Not faring as good as Dogecoin, that's for sure. But the bad news, the bad news if you're a Dogecoin holder, I'm in the red chair of knowledge. I'm in the red chair of knowledge. Only 16% of Shiba Inu holders are in the money. That's not a good look. What's going on with Pepe? Well, Pepe is having this typical meme coin structure where it has a blow off top and it has it descends, hits a low, comes up a little bit, and then it's just kind of like consolidating. And that's what's going to happen. We're not going to see these like 50, 60% jumps anymore. That's not going to happen. That is, that has gone by. That's gone by. I mean, good night, nurse. That's not going to happen. We're going to have a typical meme coin trajectory out there, and things are just going to go sideways, range bound, pretty much boring. And if you bought close to the top and you're sitting on a ton of PEP and you're waiting for the new all-time highs to come in, you're going to be waiting a freaking long time out there. So that's what I'm saying. Pepster holders, don't get mad. I'm just bringing the news, bringing the hits and the tricks out there. So that's what I'm thinking out there. So what should you be doing? Well, like I said, if you want to have life-changing wealth, hopefully my wife is not watching this because what are you talking about? So if you're waiting for life-changing wealth out there, all you got to do is DCA, dollar cost average. And guys, did you know, fun fact, that if you had DCA'd weekly since the top of Bitcoin at 69,000, and you had held on to now, you'd be up. You'd actually be in the freaking money right now. But overall, we're still seeing that, in terms of Bitcoin price this year, we're still seeing that Bitcoin we're still above 70% in terms of profits from the beginning of the year. So keep that in mind. Keep that in your brain pan. May is almost over, thank goodness, out there. May, as I said, I did say last month that May typically is going to be a bad month, and we should either close neutral or anywhere down up to about 5%. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin, in May for Bitcoin, we're down around about 3.5% total. So not too bad, not as bad as I expected. So that is lovely, jibby, wibby news out there. So, dollar cost average, I have time in my hands. And remember, you're not financial advice. Nothing you see here is financial advice. Do not ape into stuff that's younger than 2 years. Don't do that. Do your own research. And remember, never, ever invest more than you're willing to lose, because crypto is highly volatile, and 2025 is just around the corner. Bang. And, we're gearing up. We're absolutely gearing up to have one of the biggest bull runs in the freaking history of cryptocurrency. And I think it's going to be insane. It's going to be crazy. People are going to be aping in like crazy. There's going to be people, crying. People are going to be making bank, and it's all about, do you have the moxie? Do you have the fortitude? And it's it's about patience, and it's patience. And remember, cryptocurrency volatility is the price of admission. So if you've got democracy, if you've got the stones out there, and you can withstand the volatility, and don't be emotional when you're trading. If you do stupid stuff like panic selling this, don't do that. Don't do that, guys. That's why, once again, if you want to be successful, it's about time in the market. It's about not being emotional. It is about being smart out there. And that's why you never invest more than you're willing to lose. Because if you've got your rent money in crypto, if you've got your kids' college funds in crypto, that means you're going to be under a lot more stress, duress, and you're going to make some dumb moves. So guys, the key to crypto is be patient, dollar cost average, and wait for life-changing wealth, guys. So this is the OG in the house. I express my opinion and expressing the love out there. Don't forget, guys, smash the likes out there, share this content out there. I do apologize. I'm doing less content now because I'm busy. Summer's coming. I'm going to try to ratchet up the videos to at least 2 to 3 videos a day. I've not been sleeping good. I couldn't sleep last night. I was laying on a bed at 2:45 a.m. Woke up at 7 a.m. bringing this content. So I'm tired. I'm freaking tired. I feel like a zombie. I want to eat you. I'm a zombie. I feel like a zombie, guys. I feel like a zombazoid. I haven't had my coffee yet, so I figured get up, get this freaking video to you right away. Then I'm gonna have a coffee and hopefully wake up, and I'm gonna have to drag my carcass for the next 8 to 9 hours through the freaking mud, the mud of sleepiness, and hopefully I can survive. Get home tonight, make another freaking video, and then hopefully pass out, get some sleepy out there, and do it all over again out there. So guys, be blessed, be freaking well, be crazy, be perfect, be you, be beautiful, be blessed, be freaking awesome. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out. Peace out there. I'll see you in the next one, guys. I love you all to death. Smash the likes, show some love, and super thanks would be much appreciated. Peace out.